Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create Rept Chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then show the Excel document from the chart from the show name get and percentage. Now find from the now get Rept Chart. Firstly select from the now keyboard press from the equal and press for the right from the rep and press from the first bracket, press from the double quotation, again double quotation, comma, select from the percentage first into 100, press from the close for the first bracket. Now keyboard press Ctrl Enter. That's it. Now mark the all format. Now going to the font option. Now font from the pay level. Now enter. That's it. Then I show the Rept Chart in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.